Hi, I'm Julian Guitron, and I am a thoracic surgeon. As a thoracic surgeon, we come out trained to really be able to practice both in the heart and cardiovascular system, but also the non-heart structures such as lung, esophagus, mainly cancer. So I do specialize in the non-heart part of the thoracic surgical practice with lung cancer. For the most part, I see 80% of my practice is potential cancer. Biology was certainly something that really caught my attention from, studying the microorganisms and looking under the microscope, and all this was just so exciting. It started with doctor, and surgeon came later on, but with doctor it was mostly with family matters. When somebody in the family gets sick and you actually get good attention or sometimes bad attention by a doctor, you start feeling like, man, I wish I could be on that side of the fence and really treat people right. And so that was what kind of got me started into thinking, well, biology, treating people well, treating them like how I would like to be treated, that got the ball rolling for me to get into medicine. In medicine, we cure sometimes, but we improve quality of life as often as we can. Sometimes just with an extra minute of explaining to patients, letting them know in lay terms what is going on, and that comforting patients is a big deal for me. So in general, while I try to cure everybody, what I do all the time, as often as I can, is to comfort patients. The best part of my job is actually comforting patients, being able to bring some peace, some relief, some patients, even in the worst case scenarios like in cancer. Learn from your own experience. Keep your eyes open, your ears open. Learn and make some mental notes of what you experience along the way as you're growing up, because that will shape a lot of your personality when you finally become that professionist or that physician. And that is invaluable advice when you can yourself apply what you've experienced and apply it to how you would like to be treated if it was you on the other side of the table.
Do you love science? Of course you do. So stay up to date on all things science around Cincy by subscribing to our channel, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter @SciAroundCincy.